First of all, before we get started, let's just check out that here. Can you see her? Oh, okay. All right. Hello, bosses. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Andrea, the BU boss, and you are in the right place to learn how to leverage who you are to do and be your best in everything you do. Yes, I am a marketing strategist who also teaches personal branding techniques. And these personal branding techniques not only help you grow your business, attract, engage, and convert your audience, but they also help you create a work-life harmony that is the antithesis of work-life balance, because I don't believe in work-life balance. So if this is something that you've been struggling with, attracting, engaging, and converting the right audience, or just feeling like you're not stressed out and overwhelmed in life, period, and you want to be unapologetically you, this is definitely the channel you need to be on. So hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. In this particular video, however, we're going to be talking about 3 reasons your business may not be thriving. And I'm going to be a little bit transparent with you in this video and tell you how I know. I've experienced it, so I see you. All right, let's dig into today's video, shall we? Okay. When it comes to marketing, we have been bamboozled. We've been lied to. We've been led astray by so many, because so many people want you to believe that the only way to succeed with your marketing is if you pay for SEO, if you pay for ads, if you purchase their services to be your social media manager. And I'm just here to tell you that that's just not true. You have everything you need, Dorothy, from The Wiz or The Wizard of Oz, whichever one you identify with the most. You have everything you need to be successful in your life, in your career, and in your business. The question is, are you willing to pay for it? Now, I know I just said that people want you to believe that you have to pay for it. I'm talking about, are you willing to pay for it with your time and energy? Because really, that's what it's going to take if you want to be successful. And I'm going to share with you these 3 reasons why your business may not be thriving. And it has nothing to do with the outside world and everything to do with you. So let's dive in to reason number 1. And that is your mindset. I said it. Your mindset could be the reason why your business is not thriving, because you have fallen prey to those telling you that marketing can only be done when you pay for it, and that it is a quick fix, and that all you need is someone else to do it for you. The wrong mindset. The reason that you struggle sometimes is because you are not putting any skin in the game. When I talk to people about their marketing, one of the things that I'm sharing with them is that you have to connect your relationship to your product or service. You have to be able to relate to your audience in a way that they feel like you understand them, you get their problem, you've gone through what they've gone through either for yourself or in helping other people, and you are qualified to help them. Now, I told you that I can identify with these problems, and let me just share with you why. I have been in business for a very long time. However, when it came to the epiphany moment I had, the journey that I took, what I realized was it is not only for those who want to create marketing strategies. It is a leadership epiphany that I had, and a process, my BU method, that I teach. And the transparency that I want to share with you is that it has been extremely difficult. And so I've struggled over the years to really come up with the verbiage that attracts, engages, and converts. So that's how I know. And my mindset had to change, because my expectation was that they were going to use that for their marketing. And I was convinced that any course that I created, and I've created quite a few, were not working because I did not have social proof that what I was saying was working for people's marketing strategies. And it took me changing my mindset, taking a step back, and really understanding what it was I was bringing to the table and really looking at how it was affecting the lives of my clients to realize that it's really about a leadership moment. I wasn't seeing that the majority of the people coming to me and getting advice from me and doing the one-on-one coaching, they were very much using what I had to say. They just weren't using it in their marketing. They were using it to make decisions about whether or not they should be doing what it is they're doing in the first place, whether or not they should be working with the people that they're working with, whether or not they should make a decision in a certain way. But they were using it. And when I stopped, when I changed my mindset and I started asking questions, I realized that what I was sharing with people was giving them the results they needed. And they were so grateful and they were sharing me with other people. I was just looking at it the wrong way. So the reason that you might not be thriving in your business is because your mindset needs to change. The next reason that your business may not be thriving is because you are not organized. What do I mean? Well, systems and processes are ways to organize your business and have a methodology, to have a method to your madness. If you are trying to figure it out as you go and you have not created a system for things, a process for the way you bring people in and out of your business, a process for the way you network and you get leads for your business. If you've not created these duplicable tasks that when you bring in a client, you put them through a consistent process, then your organization may not be there. If you don't have a process for onboarding new clients, for your coaching program, if you don't have a process for these things and you're not organized, that's how you're going to look to other people. They're going to assume that you don't know what you're doing because you're not organized. You're not creating a sense of trust in your dealings with people. And then you're not even putting together a sense of trust for yourself because you feel like you're scatterbrained and you forget things all the time and you can't seem to get a handle on your day. You're drowning. You're overwhelmed. You're not organized. That could be a reason that your business is not thriving. Okay. So if you don't have that organization, there are so many tools out there that you can use. Asana, Notions are two that I use right off the bat. For your customer service profile, which we'll talk about in just a second. Dubsado, HubSpot, all types of customer relationship management tools that can help you with your organization so that you do begin to cultivate a sense of culture for your business. You can create those systems and processes that will help you stay organized. And then in turn, hopefully you'll be able to thrive. Okay. All right. Now, before I even get on to the third one, I just want to remind you about my program, Project CEO. It is about to launch. I'm so excited about it. It truly has been years in the making. And the things that I'm talking about today are things that we tackle inside that program. You will change your mindset in there. You will begin to look at yourself differently. And you will want to start creating those systems and processes and bringing the heat when it comes to your value, walking in that confidence, all from becoming the chief executive officer of you. So inside Project CEO, what we're doing is we're showing you how to take what I call a personal framework and then use it to optimize your personal brand or create your personal brand. And then I'm showing you how to leverage that personal brand within your life, career, business in a way that is going to make you attractive to the people that you're trying to attract. And it's going to help you increase the engagement because you'll have the more confidence and you'll be able to have those conversations everywhere about anything and be able to navigate those conversations right back to what it is you do and how you can serve. And you'll be able to then build those relationships and that trust that in turn brings in the referrals. It brings in the loyal clients that will continue to be with you all the time and sing your praises. I'm not talking about something that I heard. I'm telling you something that I know because this is something that I've been living for years. My BU method completely works. I've got tons of people that can share that with you. So I want you to get on the wait list for Project CEO. We are going to be opening the doors very soon. And I've said this in a lot of my posts before, but it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. What I mean is all the discounts, all the extra bonuses go to those who are on the wait list. If you are not on the wait list, there's nothing I can do. So again, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So use the link in the description. Go ahead and get on the wait list so that you don't miss out on all the goodness that is coming your way. Now, let's get on to this third reason that your business might not be thriving, and that is because you don't have a good customer experience. I've been talking about this for some time, and what do I mean by customer experience? Well, like I said, marketing has become this whole thing about selling. The whole goal is to get people in your funnel and just sell them, get them to make that first conversion. We forget about the customer's experience. And not every conversion is going to be one that is money related. Some conversions are getting people from the giant sea of Facebook into a smaller sea of your Facebook group. Sometimes it's about getting people from the Facebook group to your email list. Sometimes it's about connecting with someone and getting them to sign up for your webinar or your event that you're doing. We have to look at the customer experience and not just attract them and then sell them. We have to attract them and then nurture them and then add value and then sell. Okay. And people want to know that you care before they care what you know. That is going to hold true from now until the end of time. So you've got to look at that customer experience as a nurture process and not a sell process. You have to look at it as a serve opportunity, not a sell opportunity. It takes us back to the very first reason why your business might not be thriving, and that's your mindset. You have to shift from a sell to a serve mindset. All right. That does it. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and just know that Project CEO is here for you if you're struggling, if your business is not thriving, and you feel like it is because your mindset needs to be different, or if you feel like your organizational process, the way your systems and processes are working or not working, the culture of your brand is not what it needs to be. Or if you feel like you are just not providing the best customer experience, I feel like A, this video should have helped you, but B, definitely get on the wait list for Project CEO, because even if you missed when the doors open this time, there will be another time and you'll be on the list and you'll know all about it. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not listened to my podcast, I want you to know that I do have a podcast. It's called the CEO Mindset Podcast, and we're over there sharing tips and techniques on how to constantly evolve and be open to those failures that happen. But we're using personal branding techniques to get over them, learn from them, and be pretty awesome in whatever it is we're doing. All right. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you again next week. Bye, guys.